Well, we're going to open this Google Home Mini. This is the version that came with the Smart TV Kit, which includes a Chromecast and a Google Home Mini. I have never had one of these before, so I don't know what to expect, but it says here that not for individual resale, but still I guess it will contain the same things that the original standalone version comes with. Well, I think you just have to open it here. Let's see what are the contents. This is the device. There's a small cubic thing here. I guess it contains the manuals. Wall adapter, the micro USB cable, and that's it. There's nothing else at the bottom. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I guess this is a quick start guide. Get to know your Google Home Mini. Be safe. Warranty. It's a basic instruction. Another pamphlet, and that's it. So this is it.